Kia wata, wata mai nei, te ngara hau taue. E hone re kiau, I te tū ki te koro, riro kia koutou e. Kia koutou tēnā rau koutou katoa. Ko e nei aku mihi rawa atu kia koutou. Kia koutou kua tau mai mai tāwhiti mai tata. Ko tēnei anō he mihi anō kia koe e ken me tō taumata o te wai Māori. A kia koe anō ki e Dion, tō mahi kaha mo te hukai moana. E roto I tēnei, ko e nei aku mihi, ko e nei aku mihi, ko e nei aku mihi rawa atu. You know, I'm going to give the people on the camera a bit of a hard time because I am going to move around. Dan, I wonder if I could have a Brovey mic, thanks. And that's because, you know, we only get one opportunity to be in a space humbled right here today. And so therefore I want to ensure that I get a message across. A bit like Papa Rereata, he didn't have a PowerPoint. We yesterday were his PowerPoint. I've got a bit of a PowerPoint, but together we will be presenting. Kia ora. Kua rongo mai? So, thank you. So I'm the General Manager for Te Pūtea Whakatupu Trust. You know, I'm really humbled to have that role because as a trust we have a responsibility to you all as Māori, but we also have to give, as our trust, special consideration in regard to our whānau who actually don't connect to their hapu, don't connect to their iwi, and still consider, you know, that we're visitors or they're visitors to their own home. So as a trust, we have a responsibility not just to one hapu, not just to one iwi, but across the motu. Now, I'm speaking today at Te Māhe Mātauranga. It's the anchor that grounds us. It's about Mātauranga. Yesterday we had some amazing presentations on Mātauranga Māori. We had some amazing conversations and presentations about what does that mean as we balance that between our own pukorero and that of Western science. As the trust, I'm led by our taumata. Do you notice the difference? I'm not saying anything. But my taumata, which we only had 3 until the 26th of August, we now have 6 members on our taumata that give us real depth and breadth in looking at our responsibility as a trust. And there's just our little kaimahi down the bottom there. I am a kaimahi. I work hard. Never asked me to make you a cup of tea though, because my uncle compared it to what a horse does after it's drunk too much. In 2017, as a trust, we developed a strategy. The trust has a responsibility and its purpose to invest in education, training, and research for Māori. So when we developed the strategy, we could have thought of a really nice long name, but you know, I'm a pretty simple kind of a person. I just called it strategy. Nothing too flash. When I do business plans, I write it on the back of a napkin. For me, it's about how we get it done and get it done. Our vision is about to transform our whānau to the 22nd century. Cool. How many of you organisations have got in your vision transform something or other? But how do we do it? We had a really great workshop at the beginning of July. And I'd like to acknowledge Dion, because it reminded us about how we sustain our own iwi, hapu, and Māori identity. Because even though we say we're te kotahitanga, actually we're not. We like our diversity. We like the way that we also look at things differently. And ka pai tēnā, kia ū tātou. So, we have 4 goals. I have a Master's in Management from the University of Auckland Business School. I studied and specialised in strategic leadership. I tell you what, I got strategic logics up the blimmin' wazoo. Because I always think about, if you've got a vision and you've got a purpose, how do you then actually make it happen? So this is the goals that we have, our whāinga. Real simple. Real simple. I want to ask, because I was so inspired by yesterday's panels, Te Kauri Nui. Te Kauri Nui, are you here? Is Kataraina here? Kia ora, taku mihi rawa atu kia koe e kō. Te rano te kupu mai te kāinga ne e kō. Kia ora. Yesterday we also had students and from various kura. Are there students here today? Kia ora, tēnā koutou. And I also think moirawa. Kei kone koutou mea moirawa? Boy, don't you try and hide from me, I see you. Tēnā koutou. Because when we think about what we do as the goals, this was really important for the trust. We've got 4 of them. We provide and have centred our strategy in what we do in education, leadership development and training, and research. With that, we've been, this is our 2nd year of delivery nationwide of numeracy and literacy services. Actually, I should back on that nationwide because it's actually, it's in, let me see, south of Silverdale downwards. But don't you worry, we're coming up home. One of the things that we're looking at in our next year is actually about science. And Professor Elizabeth McKinley, she's like been significant in the space of science and education. She said that the involvement of Māori in science is as vital of a well-being, not just for Māori, but for our whole country, ko te ao katoa. So I thought about this and I thought, okay, so I Googled scientists. Okay, I got that. And I thought to myself, nah, that's not right. So then I continued to Google it, and I Googled climate change, realising that my presentation has to fit into the kaupapa of the conference, which is climate change. And Greta Thunberg, so she is a Swedish climate change warrior. Do you know her? She was clever. She didn't want to go to school, so she sat outside Parliament. And she said, enough is enough. She said, when we start to act, hope is everywhere. And I acknowledge that we're in a tough time. But in that, we have proven in all this toughness, actually, we get going. And there is hope everywhere when we start to act. So as a trust, we have been acting. And thank you about the doing. As a trust, we now provide numeracy literacy services. We also bring our rangatahi, our taitamariki together in regards to leadership, mentoring, succession planning, governance training and research. We have 357, the largest collective of Māori who are studying in agribusiness, science and fisheries across the Motu. They whakapapa back up here. And when we go and we think about our ideas, we test this with them. We say, how can we, what do we, how do we? And they tell us. Of which I want to acknowledge Te Mihia, Taku Mihira Watu. Te Mihia is one of our Te Pūtea Whakatupu alumni. We now have 4 of our Te Pūtea Whakatupu alumni, which is Generation 1, now sitting in the Te Hukai Moana office. Taku Mihira Watu, kia koutou. They are making decisions now for us. When they were going through their studies, they were saying, I want to go back and work for my iwi, but I don't really have a connection to my iwi as such. How do I make that happen? As a trust, we work to make that happen. And we've placed of our alumni into iwi, hapu organisations, ahu whenua organisations, and corporate bodies as well. So, of course, when I went to go and Google famous scientists, I came up with Galileo, Albert Einstein, Stephen Hawking trying to find the meaning of life, and a few others. And I thought to myself, something wrong with that picture, so I threw in my papa. Because you know what? What do all of these people have in common? They asked a question. They wanted to know why. They wanted to know how. Papa didn't want to build straight bridges. He built ones with curves in them. He wanted to understand, how did we really get here? So I thought to myself, can I please ask somebody who's got a phone that's got data on it and can actually Google the word scientist? Can somebody please define for me the word scientist? That's on this side, so I've got a bit of a competition, okay? This side you can define the word scientist. And this side over here, can somebody please define the word science? The definition for scientist is? Kia ora. Can I please ask on this side the definition for science, please?
The intellectual study dealing with a body of facts or truth systematically arranged and showing the operation of general laws.
Kia ora. Are we not them? Are we not scientists? Why do we mystify what a scientist is? And when we Google famous scientists, we get those other fellas? So, what we did was we looked at how can we bring science, not as something strange, but something wonderful. And we got together with Te Rere Kohu Tū Te Rangi Whiu, no te kāinga. And he and I developed a program, which is Te Mahea Mātauranga National Māori Science. Did you notice that I got over here and I said, please define this one and please define this one? Did you notice just on that point, there was a lifting, te oho te wairua? I was actually going to split you down the side and you fellas sing toro mai and then you fellas sing toro mai and let's see who does the loudest. But I've only got 5 minutes to do this, so we'll do it at the end. Te Mahea Mātauranga is a program that Te Pūtea Whakatupu Trust is launching on the 1st of October. Actually, we're already doing it here. Hi, Dion. We're doing it here on the 1st of October 2019. It's running to the 26th of March. I love the presentations upstairs. It is open to kura, kaupapa, kura tuatahi, our primary schools, our whare kura, our taiwanga, our kāreti, because my son went to te kāreti o te Aotea, so the first time I heard the word kāreti, but that's college. And our year 1s to year 8s, and our year 9s to year 13s. It is based at the kura. There can be a collective of kura that come together. But we like a bit of a competition. But this is about delivering education differently. And we saw some of that in the presentation by Sharon e te tuakana tēnā koe. It is their specific research question and project, not ours, it's theirs. There is a requirement that they must work over the 3 rawa. Mai te rangi ki te awa, ka rere te awa ki te wā ao. That their research project must sit within where the from te hekinga mai o ngā roimata, we had a few of those yesterday, to the awa, karere, and hoki mai te awa ki te moana, hoki atu ki te rangi. What we're looking at is that mātauranga Māori is first, ngā pūkōrero. It is about sustainability, it is about the protection, and it is about the rejuvenation. And do you see what's at the last bit? Western science. Because we're not, that's not the lead. And within this, kia u ki ngā pūrākau, o rātou tūpuna, o their tūpuna. Kia u ki te wairua kei roto. Hui. Ka rere te mito o te reo. O tā rātou reo. Whenever I go down to Wanganui, I find it quite easy to pronounce the language, and I'm sure I'm from Wanganui. And of the tikanga. So applications open on the 1st of October. They close on the 31st of October. On the 8th of November, we'll be selecting and announcing the 9 participant kura nationwide. We are supporting those kura to participate in this kaupapa. They will submit their science research project on the 9th of March, on the 29th of February, aroha mai, and from the 9th of March to the 13th of March is when they're going to be presenting that to the panel. On the 16th of March, we'll be announcing the 2 finalists for Te Mahia Mātauranga, the National Māori Science Competition for 2019-2020. And they will be presenting at the National Māori Fisheries Conference next year. There they will also receive their prize. So these guys over here, you define the scientist. You guys over there, you define what science is. You'll get a prize. Taku aroha kia koutou. But for us here, for our kura that participate in this, the 9 participant kura receive $1,000 each. That's why I asked about Te Kaurinui. They will, of that, from the 9 finalists, there will be 2 finalists which will receive $10,000 each. From that, the Supreme Award winner will be and receive $10,000. As a trust, we're also supporting them to be in Tāmaki to present. This is going through kura. We are acting. So keep a watch on our website, teputiawhakatupu.māori.nz. These are the words that Papa was in his last interview. And he said, toko hea te mea te ako i o tātou tamariki. E ki te anau ki ngā tamariki o te wā, i tai mai rātou ki te kāpehu whetu, i wahora. Te wairua anō hoki kei roto i a rātou. Ara mai tētahi e kore e ngaro i a koe. I am eager to teach our tamariki. He had a couple of words just before that, actually. But he said, I'm eager to teach our tamariki. When I see the children show up here at Te Kāpehu Whetū, they have a spirit of our ancestors inside them. Once you learn, you never forget. Ko tēnei anō te kaupapa o te Mahia Mātauranga. It is the anchor that grounds us. It is the tohu that carries us for this kaupapa. Ko ienei te tohu o te Mahia Mātauranga. Aku mihi, aku mihi, aku mihi rawa atu ki a koutou. Tēnā rako te katoa.